China's Slaughterbots. Are we ready for AI warfare? Are we on the brink of a new era of warfare, one where machines decide who lives and dies? The rise of AI is transforming our world, but its application on the battlefield is raising profound ethical questions. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's rapidly reshaping industries, and warfare is no exception. The development of autonomous weapons systems, like China's Slaughterbots, is a game changer. These machines raise critical questions about the future of conflict. How do we ensure accountability when AI makes life or death decisions? Could these technologies escalate conflicts beyond our control? The implications extend beyond the battlefield. They challenge our understanding of responsibility, decision-making, and the very nature of war itself. This discussion is crucial. It highlights the advancements in military technology and prompts us to reflect on the moral responsibilities that come with it. Understanding the future of warfare is vital for everyone. Policymakers, military strategists, and citizens must grapple with a world where machines may soon hold the power of life and death. China's development of Slaughterbots represents a significant leap in military technology. It combines advanced AI with cutting-edge robotics. These autonomous drones are designed to operate without human intervention. They use sophisticated algorithms to identify and engage targets. The intended use is primarily for combat scenarios. They can execute missions with precision and speed, potentially changing the dynamics of warfare. China's rapid advancements in AI and robotics have positioned the nation as a formidable player. They are focused on enhancing military capabilities through automation. However, the rise of such technology raises profound ethical concerns. The idea of machines making life and death decisions without human oversight challenges our moral frameworks. Critics argue that autonomous weapons could lead to indiscriminate killings. They could also escalate conflicts beyond control. As we explore the capabilities and implications of China's Slaughterbots, it becomes increasingly important to address these ethical dilemmas. We must consider the future of warfare in an age dominated by artificial intelligence. Imagine the potential deployment of China's Slaughterbots in a hypothetical World War III. Various conflict zones come to mind. Regions like the South China Sea, where territorial disputes are prevalent, could see these drones used for surveillance and targeted strikes. In urban warfare scenarios, Slaughterbots could navigate complex environments. They could engage enemy forces with precision while minimizing collateral damage. The strategic advantages are significant. They can operate in high-risk areas without putting human soldiers in harm's way. This allows for rapid response and increased operational efficiency. Their ability to process vast amounts of data in real time enables them to adapt to changing battlefield conditions quickly. This is a huge advantage. However, the introduction of these autonomous systems could fundamentally alter traditional military tactics. Commanders may need to rethink strategies. Strategies that rely on human intuition and decision-making may become obsolete. The reliance on AI could lead to a more mechanized approach to warfare. This shift raises important questions about the future of military engagement. What will be the role of human oversight in combat scenarios? The emergence of China's Slaughterbots in a potential World War III scenario would likely provoke a range of responses from other nations. How would the world react? Rival powers, such as the United States and European countries, might form strategic alliances. They would counter the threat posed by these autonomous weapons. Collaborative efforts could include sharing intelligence. They could also develop countermeasures and enhance their own military technologies to maintain a balance of power. The role of international law and regulations would come into sharp focus. Nations would grapple with the ethical implications of autonomous warfare. Existing treaties may be challenged. This would prompt calls for new agreements to govern the use of AI in military operations. Public opinion would also play a crucial role. Citizens around the world would express concerns about the morality of using machines in combat. Protests against autonomous warfare could emerge. They would advocate for stricter regulations and accountability measures. As the global community navigates these complex dynamics, the discourse surrounding Slaughterbots will shape the future of warfare and international relations. The introduction of Slaughterbots into warfare raises profound moral dilemmas. These challenge our understanding of ethics in combat. One of the most pressing concerns is the loss of human oversight in military decisions. When autonomous machines are tasked with identifying and engaging targets, the critical element of human judgment is diminished. This could lead to potential miscalculations and unintended consequences. This shift could pave the way for war crimes, as accountability becomes murky. If a Slaughterbot commits an act of aggression, who is responsible? The manufacturer, the military, or the AI itself? These questions complicate the legal framework surrounding warfare. They highlight the urgent need for clear regulations. The long-term effects on global peace and security cannot be overlooked. The normalization of autonomous warfare may desensitize societies to violence. This could make conflicts more likely and prolonged. As nations increasingly rely on AI in military operations, the ethical implications of Slaughterbots will demand careful consideration. This will shape not only the future of warfare, but also the very fabric of international relations and human rights. The introduction of China's Slaughterbots could ignite a new technological arms race. This would fundamentally alter the landscape of global military power. As nations recognize the strategic advantages these autonomous systems offer, the implications for military spending could be staggering. Countries may feel compelled to significantly increase their defense budgets. They would develop similar technologies, diverting resources from other critical areas. Areas such as education and healthcare could suffer. This rush to innovate could lead to a competitive environment where nations prioritize speed over safety. This could result in poorly tested and unreliable systems being deployed in combat. The urgency to keep pace with advancements in AI warfare could escalate tensions between rival nations. This would increase the likelihood of conflicts. As countries invest heavily in autonomous weapons, the risk of miscalculations and misunderstandings grows. This makes diplomatic resolutions more challenging. The potential for an arms race driven by Slaughterbots not only threatens global stability, but also raises ethical questions. Nations must grapple with the consequences of prioritizing technological superiority over human judgment and accountability. In summary, the discussion surrounding China's Slaughterbots and their potential role in a hypothetical World War III highlights several critical points about the future of warfare. The rise of autonomous weapons presents both strategic advantages and significant ethical dilemmas. These concern the loss of human oversight and accountability in military decisions. As nations rush to develop similar technologies, we face the prospect of a technological arms race. This could escalate global tensions and conflicts. It is essential for viewers to reflect on the moral implications of allowing machines to make life and death decisions in combat scenarios. As we navigate this complex landscape, understanding the consequences of AI warfare becomes increasingly vital for policymakers and citizens alike. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may be interested in exploring the future of warfare and the ethical challenges it presents. Together we can foster a deeper understanding of these pressing issues. Let's shape the future, not be shaped by it.